If you're looking for something modern and minimal, you may adore this exquisite bandeau Art Deco tiara. It is beautifully made using only the highest quality Swarovski crystals and 3A cubic zirconia with micro inlays and the whole tiara is genuine platinum plated that stops it from tarnishing so you can enjoy it for longer. We absolutely adore making gorgeous luxurious headpieces for our brides globally, and I just wanted to show you our first one Art Deco design that we are bringing to you. We have a few more coming, so watch the space and just look how gorgeous this sits on the head. It is not a too big, kind of bold statement piece, but it's a little bit more understated, elegant, and minimalist. But I actually think it's perhaps the perfect height. If you're looking for a princess tiara that isn't too big and bulky, then this would totally hit the spot. The luxury is what we stand for, and for that very reason, we want to make you feel confident and feel like a queen as you're opening your gorgeous headpiece. And for that very reason, we gift you a stunning luxury wedding keepsake gift box for free with every purchase of a luxury headpiece. And it comes beautifully packaged in our luxury satin pouch that has our branding on it. I absolutely adore it. It's loved by brides globally, and we just love making you happy and making you feel confident and adored on your big day. If you have any questions or need any help whatsoever, please do reach out. I love connecting with brides globally. It makes me so happy to be able to help you and offer advice or a styling tip or anything for you to embody that inner confidence. Because when you feel confident and trust yourself on the inside, you ooze that confidence and it sort of oozes out of you and you shine like a goddess on the outside, and people do notice it. And this is certainly something you want on your big day more than any other day, to celebrate yourself as a woman, as a goddess, as a queen. Let us know if you have any questions and we'll do everything in our power to help. Sending you so much love.